Sometimes on Instagram, you may have created an Instagram AI chat, and in that chat, sometimes the search feature won't be there. If you want to add the search feature to the Instagram AI chat that you've created, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you about that. For this, open the Instagram application. After that, here you can see the message button. Click on this message button. When you're clicking on that, above you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that,
here you can see AI chats. Click on this. And when you're clicking on that, you would reach AI Studio. And here you can see your AIs. Under that, you can see every AI chat that you have created. From this, select any chat to which you want to add the search option. For example, I'm selecting this. After that, here you can see the settings button. Click on this. And when you're clicking on that and scrolling down, you can see advanced settings. Click on this.
After that, scroll down, and here you can see the search option. Sometimes it will be turned off. In that case, what you need to do is turn on this. After that, click on this Done button. And here you can see the Publish option. Click on Publish. When you are clicking on that, that setting will be saved. So this way, you can easily add the search option to the Instagram AI chat that you have created. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.